What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Oh man, today I'm having a fantastic day at the moment. I actually helped a friend of mine who had a problem with his bike. He had a problem with his bike, I think it was 3 years ago that he had a problem with it, and for some apparent reason that it just wouldn't start. And it turns out that it was the battery. He was having problems with it because it was just the battery. All this time it was the battery. And I knew it was the battery because I had the same problem with my bike, and it sounded familiar when I put the key in the ignition and tried to start it, and it was making like this noise, and I was like, it sounds familiar, it could be this, it could be this, and mine went, no, it's the battery, Dragon, it's the battery. So I decided to take my battery out of my bike and put it into his bike to find out if it's the battery, and lo and behold, the bike was alive. Now if it was like say 3 years back, I wouldn't even have a clue what it was the problem. So because it happened this year, because my battery died and I had to get myself a new one because my old battery couldn't hold the charge, I got myself a new one, it was fine. But yeah, so my friend was like really buzzing that his bike wasn't dead, it just needed the battery, that was it. A brand new battery, that's all it needs. It's amazing how a friend come to your house, you know, not invited or anything, just came out saying hello and that. A friend talk about a problem, and just one friend just came and sort out this one problem. Bang, right there. Oh man, it was disappointed though because you've been wasting a bit of money, but at the same time he's happy that it's all sorted now, but all he needs is new battery. So I don't know if he's gonna be on the road, because I just randomly just come to his house. I mean, at first I was like, you know what, I need to buy some chicken. That's how I was came out for, when I buy some chicken. And mine went, you know what, let me see my old friend, man. Let me see my friend Dave. It's been a long time since I've seen him. The last time I saw him, I think it was last year or year before. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm actually glad that I sorted out his motorcycle. Celebration. Freaking celebration, man. It's amazing that if you hear something from your bike and it's happening to someone else, it's kind of like, yeah, I know what that is. If you press the start ignition and you hear that sound, you know it's your bike. You know it's your battery. It's the battery problem. But some people will say, oh, it's this, or it's that, and all this stuff. But if you hear it before, and someone's trying to tell you, you don't know what you're talking about, I say, listen dude, I had this problem before. So Dave, I hope that you get on the road, get back on the road, man. Well guys, if you got problems with your bike and it's not starting up, you change your starter motor or any other things on your bike, chances could be a battery. So anyway, my name is Black Dragonrider. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheerio.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come